guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I actually went through and did not cancel my Ipsy last month. I'm not too sure exactly what I got, but I did mention in my last Ipsy box video that if I was unhappy with what I got in the month of June, I would be canceling. I have not actually went through any of the stuff that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag or my, what is it called? The Ultimate? Is that what that's called? No, it's the Glam, yeah, it's the Glam Bag Plus, so it's the box and the bag. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my Ipsy for the month of June, you're in the right place, and just keep on watching. Alright, so this here, whoops. This is the June Glam Bag. It is very summery. It's got like girls on like the beach or whatever they're at. I don't even know. It looks like they're on like beach towels or something. Inside the bag, let me just take everything out. The inside of the bag is a bright yellow. Honestly, I love the way this color looks. Like, I don't like how yellow looks on me, but I really do like the color of yellow. Okay, so the first thing in my June Glam Bag is the Ofra Highlighter in the shade Soho. This is what it looks like up close. It is very, very pretty in the pan. I'm almost scared to touch it because it's so pretty. The only thing I have by Ofra is a bronzer, and I believe I got it in Ipsy or something like that. Okay, it's... oh my god, this is so buttery, like, oh my gosh. Okay, well, this is what it looks like on the finger. I'm going to swatch it for you. Oh, okay. Oh yes, wow, it is beautiful. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, so that is unbelievably beautiful, like, wow. It says that it is a plush pearl pigment, and when it catches the light, it gives your complexion a warm, shimmery sheen. Full size retails of $35. So, yeah, that is really beautiful. Okay, the next thing in the June Glam Bag is this Kat Von D setting powder in the shade Translucent. This is a very small container, but that's what the powder looks like. Oh shit, that went up my nose. I did not think it was that finely milled. Oh, it burns. So it says the Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Lock-In Setting Powder and Translucent. Says that it is a weightless formula, has a silky feel that is a 0% drying or chalky. It also says that the universal translucent shade is undetectable on all skin tones and has a 0 flashback. Okay, that's saying a lot for this. I'm not sure. I've never really tried anything by Kat Von D. I do have her brow pomade, but I got it in a BoxyCharm. I think it was last month or the month before. I don't remember, but I look forward to giving this a go. And if I like it, I might even buy the full size. Who knows? Okay, next in the Glam Bag was this, I don't know how to say this. Mail, whatever it is. Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lip in the shade Nectar. This is what it looks like. I'm actually not going to open this because I know I'm not going to use it. So, I'm sorry if you wanted me to swatch this. I'm not. Yeah. says, if you like your lip color to be low maintenance, this is the creamy crayon that you are about to love. Free of many potentially harmful ingredients like parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, mineral oil, and talc. Yeah. So it's like this moisturizing jumbo lip crayon. Alright, this next thing is a face mask. It is by the brand Papa Recipe. This is what it looks like. It's an eggplant clearing mud mask. You get 15 ml in here. Yeah. It says, after a ritual cleansing, apply an even layer over the face, avoiding the mouth and mouth area. Gently rinse with tepid water in a circular motion, preferably after 10 to 15 minutes. So, sounds easy enough. However, I'm probably not going to keep this. I'm going to give it to my mom, just because I've got so many face masks that I'm trying out right now, and honestly, I don't like eggplant. So, yeah, this is cute though. Alright, and the last thing in my June regular bag is the Cellophant Double Effect Cleanser Oil to Foam for dry and sensitive skin. This is what this looks like. It says the oil transforms into a gentle foam for an easy one-step cleansing. Apply to the areas where cleansing is needed. Massage gently and clean with lukewarm water. You get 1.05 ounces, which is pretty small, but I mean, hey, if you like to try out new things when they're samples and you don't know if you want to get it full size, this is the route to go. Join Ipsy, and then you get some indie brands and stuff that you don't really hear too much about, and some of their stuff is actually really good. So yeah, this is what that is. Alright, so next I'm going to jump into the Ipsy Plus. Alright, so here we have the Ipsy Plus. In my last video I kept calling it the Ultimate, and somebody was like, you need to learn your facts. I'm like, geez, it was an accident. Okay, so inside my box looks like this. This is the bag. It is the same kind of idea as the regular June bag, except this one is green. Super cute, super chic. Okay. And on the inside is also yellow. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. Not that you care. This little Ipsy tassel is super cute. It's actually funny because they're literally, you know, swapped. Alright, so the first thing I see here is the Ciate London Marbled Mezzo. My headache is f***ing with my speech. So this is a single shadow. I've never tried this. So. Alright, so the shade is called Entine. This is what the packaging looks like. This is what the shade looks like from the back. Okay, we're gonna put this. That's not in my red now. Great. Okay, I get it. They put this little thing in here so it didn't mess up. Okay, so that's really pretty. That's what it looks like. Oh, she's buttery. I can feel it. Oh, she's pigmented. Oh, wow. Okay, yes. It is very, very pretty. This is what it looks like right here. This one. It is called the Gigi Gorgeous Only Blush Duo. Alright, and it is in Authentic Pride. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so the packaging is super cute, super chic. It's like this matte color, but the gorgeous part is in gold, and that's really pretty. Okay, ooh. Wait, why does it look like somebody touched it? It's got this nice mirror in here. This is what the shades look like. Super cute. One is a blush and the other is, like, I'm assuming either a highlighter or a blush topper. Okay, so this is them on my hand right here. This is this one, and then this one is this one. Okay. Oh yeah, they're really pretty, actually. It's these two right here. Super pretty. I'm sure you could build it up if you wanted it more intense. I unfortunately don't do that with my blush because I have like really red cheeks most of the time, and you could tell if I'm mad or something because my cheeks, like the redness shows through regardless if I'm wearing a full coverage foundation or not. But these shades of blush are really pretty. Not even gonna lie, I'm actually excited to try that. Alright, this next thing is another one of these Arkelly. I don't know if Arcelli. It's either Arkelly or Arcelli. I'm not quite sure. It is a liner. This is in the shade Night, which I'm assuming is black. Oh, she is black. Alright. This is what that liner looks like. Super black. It has a little bit of a shine, but I'm going to let it sit. It might dry matte, but I'm not sure. Alright, so the next thing in my box is the Dulce Pink Volumizer Mascara in the shade Black. So this is what the box looks like. This is what the mascara looks like. Oh shit. The wand on here is huge. Oh my god. Like, you see how big this is? Okay, we're checking back in with the eyeliner. It did completely dry. It does have a shine to it still. But, you know, that's fine. Alright, so the very last thing in my box is this Purelisse, or Purelisse, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. It says it is lightweight, oil-free gel cream, refreshes and it moisturizes. It is for oily to combination, even normal to even sensitive. This is what the bottle tube looks like. Watermelon. This is the brand up close. Okay. It says the benefits are it moisturizes your skin, the aloe vera helps reduce the inflammation, the white tea protects the skin from the cellular damage, the cucumber helps soothe and firm. So I mean it's basically saying a lot. So I mean, I guess the only way to know for sure if it is good is to try it, but I'm gonna smell it really quickly. Oh god. That smells so good I could just squeeze a little bit out. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It is just this like, it honestly smears out to be like water. Wow. Ooh, okay. Wow. That is nice. Oh, and it still smells good even after I rubbed it in. Wow. Okay, it didn't like make a super huge difference on my hand, but like, it's got like a little bit of a glow. And it still smells good. I love the smell of watermelon. Alright, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Ipsy unbagging and unboxing. And if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome, my name is Star, and please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean a lot to me if you did. Also, I just wanted to say that thank you so much for helping me almost to 900 subscribers. It means a lot to me. I've been trying to get my channel subscribers and everything up for a while now. I wasn't always serious about my channel, but I definitely am becoming more serious about it and trying to make this almost like a second job for me, because I do love makeup and I do love showing you guys the products I get and testing them out for you. So if you guys are interested in being on my channel and being a part of my club, then definitely hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.